संसारदावानललितलोकात्रणाय कारुण्यघनाघनत्वं प्राप्तस्य कल्याणगुणार्णवस्यं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। महाप्रभु कीर्तनृत्यगीतं वादित्रमार्जान् मनसोरसेन रोमाञ्चकाम्पा श्रुतरङ्गभाजम् वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। श्रीविग्रहाराधनैत्यनानां शृङ्गारतन्मन्दिरमार्चनादौ युक्तस्य भक्तांश्च नियुञ्जतोऽपि वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। चतुर्विधाश्रीं भगवत्प्रसादं स्वादान्नतृप्तं हरिभक्त्यसङ्गं कृत्वैव तृप्तिं भजत सदैव वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। श्रीराधिका माधवयोरपायो माधुर्यलीला गुणरूपनाम्नं प्रतीक्षणास्वादनलोलुपस्यं वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। निकुञ्जयो नो मृतिकेलिसिद्धैः यायालिभिर्युक्तिरपेक्षणीयम् तत्रातिदक्षाततिवल्लभस्य वन्दे गुरु श्रीचरणरविन्दम्। Sri Sadhguru is like this, and who is like a cloud and is giving the shower of rain of Krishna into our hearts in our lives. He is always in loving service with Bhagavan. He is in this beautiful love of Bhagavan Krishna. He is in the beautiful world of Krishna, 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 Krishna. Krishna in the Nama, Krishna in the Sri Vigraha, Krishna in the heart of all living entities. Yeah, there is constant darshan available. Rupa Guna Leela of the Lord is cherished. Sevananda to the Lord is relished every moment. That is Sadhguru's samsara, the world of Sadhguru. What is our world? What should be our world? It should be the same, same to same. So Sadhguru is Radhika Priyasaki, Srila Prabhupada. They drop this Nama, rope of Nama, from Goloka. Golokera Premadana Harinama Sankirtana. So drop it from Goloka. And that's how he is. Sakshat Hari Tvena Samasta Shastrai Yuktastadam Bhav Yateina Satpihi Kintu Prabhuya Priyaiva Tasyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Krishna Kripa Shri Murti Sakshat Haritvena, and dropping that rope of Shri Hari, Harinama. So in this way, the Kripa of Bhagavan is coming through. Kripa of Bhagavan, Bhagavata, Bhakta Bhagavata. Yasya prasadam Bhagavat prasadam Yasya prasado nagati kutopi Dhyayam tu vam tasya yasya trisandhyam Vande Guru Shri Charanarvindam. Shri Guru Pyo Namah. Shri Guru Charana Padamam Kevala Bhakati Sadamam Bandamuye Savadhanam Matem Jaharam Prasadem Bai Bhavatoriya Jam Krishna Prapti Hoi Jaham Hoite Guru Mukha Padma Vakyam Chitete Koriyaikyam Arana koriho mane asha. This is total independence from the modes. Beautiful independence from the modes. Guru Mukha Padma Vakya Chittata Koriya Aikya. By depending on Guru and Krishna, we get total independence from the modes. That's how the liberation comes. Shri Guru Charane Rati Aise Uttamangati Jai Prasade Pure Sarva Asham. See, as much as we try to please Guru and Krishna, so much we will become independent of the modes. And so much our heart gets purified. So it's in the purified heart the mellows of Sharanagati will come. And what do? The doing is this Gurumukha Padma Vakya. And purification. Purification is the thing. The mellows are relished in a purified heart. It's not that we have to specifically do something other than Gurumukha Padma Vakya and then pleasing in Guru Krishna. By that, the heart should get purified. Heart will get purified. And that's how the transcendental mellows are relished in that heart. चक्षुदान दिलो जय जन्म जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते या विद्या विनाशा जाते वेद गाया हर चरित. There was a question, right? What can we do to taste this Sharanagati mellow? Depend on Guru and Krishna. How can we get there? Yeah, with Gurumukha Padma Vakya, with love, love and faith and respect to Shri Guru Sadhguru. When that is happening in the heart is getting purified. Purified. That there in the purified heart, the Sharanagati mellows are relished. चक्षुदान दिलो जय जन्म जन्मे प्रभु से दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित प्रेम भक्ति जहाँ होते अविद्या विनाशा जाते वेद गाया हर चरित. This is what happens in the purified heart. Yeah, prema bhakti is given and all the ignorance is gone now. Shri Guru Karuna Sindhu Adama Janar Bandhu Lokanath Lokira Jivana Ha Prabhu Koro Daya Deho More Pada Chaya Ebijash Kushutri Bhuvana Srila Prabhupada Patita Pavana Gurudev Hoyilo Sharana Jai Prabhupadam, Jai Prabhupadam, Jai Prabhupadam, Srila Prabhupadam, Jai Guru Deva, Jai Guru Deva, Jai Guru Deva, Jai Guru Deva, Shri Guru Pyo Namaha. Vancha kalpatarubhyascha kripa sindhubhyeva cha patitanam pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. All the Vaishnavas are like desire fulfilling trees. They adhere to Bhagavan, bowing down to the lotus feet of all the Vaishnavas, taking the dust from there, smearing on the head and dancing in joy. Vaishnavera padaduli, tahe mora snana keli, tarpan mora Vaishnavera nama. Dhanamora Nityananda Patimora Gaurachandra Pranamora Yugala Kishora. वृंदाय तुलसी देव्याय प्रियाय केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवते नमो नमः. The groves of Vrindavana, the land of divine love, the land of total independence from the moods, and loving dependence on, well, in the groves of Vrindavana, these are Sakhis. So, loving dependence on Sakhis. To serve Sri Sri Radha Krishna, Yugala Kishore. Tulasi Krishna Preyasi Namo Namah. Radha Krishna Seva Pavam Ei Abhilashim. Eto Mara Sharanaloi Taravancha Purna Hoi Kripa Kori Koro Tari Vrindavana Vasim Moraya Bhilash Vilas Kunja Diovas Nayani Haribo Sadam Yugalaruparasim Eini Vedanadharam Sakiranugata Koram Sevadhi Karodi Koro Nichadasi. All these are the activities of total independence from the moods. And they are animated in the internal energy of the Lord. Dina Krishna Dase Hoye Namora Hoy Shri Radha Govinda Prema Sadayena Basim Yani Kanicha Papani Brahmahatyadi Kanicha Tani Tani Pranashyanti Pradakshina Pade Pade. So what are those activities in the internal energy of the Lord? Yeah, all the darshan is filled with, all the drishti is filled with darshan of Sri Radha Govinda. And this spiritual body, Siddha Deha, is engaged in the seva, Sakiranugatya seva of Radha Govinda. Heart filled with love for Sri Radha Govinda. So beautiful. It can happen while being in this mortal frame. We don't necessarily have to quit it. When the heart gets purified, this is what is awaiting us. So as we continue the bhajana kriya like this, hearing about the Lord, beautiful Lord, the Krishna Katha hearing like this, and the Hari Bhajan when goes based on the Katha that we hear. Of course the Seva will happen, it happens. And when the mango is ripening like this, it goes on as the purification is happening in the heart, then yes, we are placed in this land of divine love. Yeah, it's a constant, continuous process that happens in the antaranga, in the soul. The journey is going on, ahar nisha. It is happening. So we should just pray purification. As the heart gets purified, filled with love of Godhead. That's when we are entering into this land of divine love. Beautiful, huh? Very beautiful. So the mango should ripen. It will ripen. It will ripen. It is getting ripened. It is getting ripened. It's not that we have to do something different. No. Just be grateful. Be grateful. Stay where you are. The mango is being ripened. Honor that ripening process gratefully. Yes, Bhagavan.